Did you know that with the Pro upgrade for Stream Deck Mobile, you can customize the design shown on your device with virtual faceplates? It's easy, and here's how. Go into Settings, then Faceplates. And here you can choose between some Elgato designed options included, like Galactic, Landscape, or Mecha. You can also make your own from images or photos on your device. The included virtual faceplates have a light and dark variant to automatically match the theme on your device. But you can also force light or dark by going back out into Settings, then go to Appearance, and switch between light and dark. When you create a virtual faceplate, make note of how bright you want it to be for your device, as custom faceplates don't change based on light or dark settings. Do you have an awesome custom virtual faceplate? Well, we want to see it. Join the official Elgato Discord at discord.gg/Elgato to share your designs and see what others are creating. Or send us a picture on Twitter at Elgato. If you have any questions about this feature or anything else inside of Stream Deck Mobile, feel free to let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to us on Elgato Workshop to learn how to get the most out of your Stream Deck and other Elgato products.